Hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here because we need to talk. So, what is one thing that you need to do quite often? Vacuum, something that you have to do quite often, or washing your sink. Okay? I'm not talking about, washing your dishes. Washing the dishes is very important, especially when you're going to make sure that there's not food stuck in here. Or like this one. You see that? That's how you need to make sure that everything is clean. We agree with that. But after you finish washing your dishes, you must clean your sink. When you clean your dishes, you inspect your cups that everything is clear, and inspect that you don't leave any particles of food because that is nasty. So you make sure you clean it. Okay? You always do that. Remember that. But another thing that you have to do is clean the sink because you're going to have particles of food stuck all over your sink. As you can see, I have food in here and I have food in here. You have to empty this in the garbage can. And you have to scrub your sink and eliminate all the nastiness. Why? Because this sink is used to wash your food and vegetables and also to wash the dishes. And you want your sink to be always clean. And scrub it like you mean it, okay? Make sure that everything is nice and clean all the time. Little drain here that collects food particles is also clean. Leave it where it belongs. And now you can start cooking because if you have to wash your vegetables in the sink is going to be clean. So always clean your sink and clean it well. You rinse it quite well with a lot of water. You scrub everything that your dishes are going to touch. Make sure you scrub everything. It is a lot of work, but believe me, you can do it. Hello, I'm doing laundry. And remember what we learned, what we talk about laundry? You have to separate your laundry by colors. You have to have light colors separated from darks and from colors. When you are ready to do the laundry, you will have a whole group of clothes or a pile of clothes with the same colors that you're ready to put in your wash machine. So you have lights or whites. You have dark colors together. You can even have blues with blacks. They are dark colors. And you have this stuff that goes in the middle. Colors. Remember, you cannot mix all the colors together. Because if you mix whites with blacks and colors all together, you may ruin your laundry. So separate, always separate lights from colors and from darks. Remember,